Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and a video update from my Market Club trading diary. Three trades to update everyone on today. The first is I closed out last week my short dollar yen position for a profit of 922 paper trading dollars. Which is the first winning trade that I've had since I began reviewing the software. So we've had 8 trades so far, one of which has been break even, one of which is the winning trade that I just had, and 6 losing trades. So while we've had a long string of losers here, I'm reasonably happy with the money management that I've been using in conjunction with the software, as we're only down, or I'm only down about 4.5% on the paper trading account, even with that long string of losers. So plenty of room to continue testing here, and the software has caught some good trends in the instruments that I follow since I began using it that I just missed out on. So I'm going to continue to, I'm still positive on the software, and I'm going to continue using it and see if I can find a winning combination here. Second to this is 2 new trades to update everyone on today. The first is a short position in the UUP, which is the ETF that tracks the dollar index, and the second is a short position in dollar yen, which I'm going to update everyone on in the slides to follow. If you're not familiar with the Market Club Signal software or the Market Club Trading Diary and review that I'm doing here, you can learn more by visiting the Member Trading Journal section at Informed Trades, and I've also included some links below this video there where you can learn more about the software and what I'm doing here, as well as sign up for some free signals to test out the software without spending any money. Okay, so let's check out the UUP and dollar or yen trade that I just spoke about. Okay, so the first trade we're going to look at here is the UUP trade, and as we just discussed, the UUP is the ETF which tracks the price action in the US dollar index. And as you can see here, on the 9th of December there was a red trade triangle issued on the weekly chart at 26.13, alerting us to the fact that the trend in the market is lower. Next, we checked out the daily chart here, and as you can see, on Friday there was a red trade triangle issued at 24.62, okay, which is what alerted me that this might be a good trade to consider entering. Now, in past trades, we've always gone by the rule of having the 4th and 5th arrows pointing lower as one of the criteria for the trade. And I'm actually making an exception to that rule for this trade because I feel fairly strongly about the direction of the US dollar here, and I'm presented with what I feel is a low risk, potentially high reward trade opportunity, so I'm willing to overlook the green arrow on the Smart Scan score for this particular trade. And as you can see here, the most recent high in the market is at 24.90. So I think that level, if that level is taken out on a closing basis, I think that that my argument for the market trading lower is negated, and I'll want to exit the trade there. And my target here is to take out the lows here at 22.10. So fairly high reward to risk trade here, as I just discussed. So the instrument again here is the UUP, the US dollar ETF. The entry price at the time that I posted the trade on the Informed Trades blog is at 24.30, and the target here is 22.11. The stop is the close above 25. My current paper account equity is $28,606. I'm using the percent risk method here for position sizing as always, and I'm using 1.5%. So the US dollar risk here is $429.09, and that's a position size of 612 shares. Okay. And the next trade here is a dollar yen trade, and so as you can see here, as always, we're going to start out by looking at the weekly chart, and we have a red trade triangle which was issued a while back on September 2nd at 108.09, so that was alerting us that the trend in the market had changed to lower. And we have the daily trade triangle, which was issued today, 12/29 at 90.23 on the daily chart. And here's the smart scan score for this one, and we do have both the fourth and fifth arrows pointing lower, which is one of the criteria we're normally using for entering trades here. So we're good to go on that front. And again here, just like the dollar index trade that we just looked at, the most recent high is at 91, and I feel like if that level is taken out on a closing basis, then my argument for another move lower here is negated for the short term at least. So that's where my stop is going to be, and I'm looking to target the lows here as well at 87.13. Instrument here is the dollar yen. The price at the time I posted the trade on the Marketclub diary on informed trades was 90.14. Target here is 87.13. Stop a close above 91. Paper account equity here again $28,606. Percent risk method as always for position sizing, but this time instead of 1.5%, I'm using 1%. And my rationale there is that I've basically got with the short UUP dollar index ETF position and short dollar yen position, I'm doubling my exposure to short the US dollar. So I want to back off on the position size on the second trade here. So I'm willing to risk $286 here and 6 cents, which gives me a position size of $29,000. Okay. If you'd like to learn more about what I'm doing here with the Marketclub trading software, as well as some links to where you can sign up for additional information on the Marketclub software, as well as some free analysis, you can visit my trading diary at informedtrades.com. As always, if there's any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and good luck with your trading.